Kinarga na naman niya si Zaira. Ang spoiled na spoiled niya lagi si Zaira eh. Hi everyone! Welcome to Zaira's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. So today is the 27th of May and today is Memorial Day. So holiday ngayon dito sa United States. So kakauwi lang ni Love galing sa work. Syempre diretso na kami sa Walmart. Maaga siya nakauwi. Ano pa lang ngayon? 7:19 AM. Diretso na kami sa Walmart. Kaya kagaya nung dati walang ligo ulit. Kasi nagmamadali siya and gusto niya pag-uwi niya makapagpahinga na siya. So mag-grocery shopping lang ulit kami sa Walmart and let's see kung magkano ang magagastos namin today. So samahan niyo kami. Temperature ngayon is 17 degrees Celsius. So, lagay ko na lang ulit dito yung temperature in Fahrenheit. So, nag-start na maging warm ang weather dahil nga magsa-summer na. Pero medyo foggy ngayon dahil nga maaga pa. So, mamaya magiging yung pinakang warm yata is 26 degrees Celsius. So, Love was saying something about bald eagle. What is it?
I was saying that bald eagle is symbol of freedom. But when I was younger, we did not really have bald eagle, but we had the symbol of the bald eagle, but there were none because they were endangered or something. But now we have more bald eagle, but we have less freedom. We used to have more freedom and less bald eagle. So it seems like bald eagle is symbol of no freedom, less freedom, because we have more bald eagle.
How do you celebrate Memorial Day here in the United States?
You're not supposed to celebrate. You're supposed to be sad.
Why?
You're supposed to think about all the dead guys. Who's happy about all this? People, if someone says Happy Memorial Day, I think like this is a stupid thing to be happy about. They're happy they have a day off of work. It's really a celebration of having a day off from your job, which is whatever. But I mean, Memorial Day is pretty sad if you actually stop and think about it for more than 1 minute. Like, it's a bunch of guys who died killing a bunch of other guys, and it's supposed to be for our freedom, but it's not really for freedom. It's for, you know, for money is all it is.
Ang dami talagang mga mga comments sa buhay. So yan, Memorial Day nga ngayon, kaya holiday. Medyo malayo pa kami sa Walmart. Pero see you later again sa Walmart. And hopefully wala pang masyadong tao dahil nga maaga pa. Kaya lang kasi holiday. So baka maraming tao. And sana walang pa-music. So ayan, see you later sa Walmart.
It's all fucking lies.
Andito na tayo ngayon sa Walmart. Ang daldal nito ni Love.
I know.
He said you're very talkative. Love, do you think they have Memorial Day sale here in Walmart?
Don't show them my shitty parking. This is a weird parking.
Love, do you think they have Memorial Day sale here?
Everything's on sale in Walmart all the time anyway.
Zaira. Ang gulo ng buhok ni Zaira kasi hindi pa yan naliligo. Wala pang ligo. Excited na naman siya punta sa Walmart.
The baby.
So ayan, ano ngayon? Makulimlim. Walang araw. Pasok na kami sa Walmart. Walang masyadong tao ngayon kasi nga maaga pa. Kaya konti lang yung mga sasakyan sa parking.
Didn't you tell them you got ready in less than 2 hours?
Whatever. Ayan, may watermelon sila dito. Kuha kami ng isa. May pa-music na naman sila dito. Wala pang masyadong tao. Kumuha sila ng kanyang what's that? Corticosteroid. Para sa eczema. Kumuha sila nito, watering timer para daw sa kanyang mga bamboos. Hanap kami ng vitamin C dito.
Bioflavonoid.
Ito yung kanilang mga vitamin C. Kaya ang 2,000 mg siya 1,000 mg. What?
Esther.
Esther?
You told me about it.
Kumuha ako nitong Sheer Tinted Daily Sunscreen. Medyo mahal siya, para sa $21. So ito yung vitamin C na kinuha namin, Spring Valley. So itry namin ibalik si Zaira sa Pampers. So ito siya, 28.22. Kumuha din ako nitong Febreze air freshener. And then ito ano tawag dito, wet wipes ni Zaira, paper towels, and tissue. So ito, kumuha kami ng Tropicana juice. Ayun, tsaka yung milk ni Zaira. Tsaka kumukuha sila ng kanyang water para sa kanyang work. Medyo madami yan. Tapos ito, Slim Jim, and then chocolate brownies. Naghahanap sila ng syrup. Is that for the pancake, love?
Yeah.
Waffles. Gagawa siya ng waffles. Nagtry ako gumawa ng waffles before. Nasira siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano gumawa. Kumuha rin sila nitong vegetable oil para daw sa fried chicken. Gagawa siyang fried chicken. What else are you looking for, love?
Nothing really.
Kinarga na naman niya si Zaira. Ang spoiled na ni-spoiled niya lagi si Zaira eh. So ito, so far ito na ang laman ng aming cart. Ito naman na isa-isa yung iba. Yun ang mga cake nila dito. So ayan ang laman ng aming cart as of the moment. So kumuha din kami nitong mini croissants. Tsaka ito. Pagkain nila. Tapos yun yung chicken and pork. So ito yung mga vegetables. Kumuha sila ng vegetables. Kumuha na kami nitong banana ni Zaira. So ito pala yung kanina, pork and chicken para sa fried chicken na gagawin nila. So yan, kumukuha siya ng vegetables. So ito ang mga strawberries nila. Hanap tayo ng magandang strawberries dito. Medyo maliliit yung iba. Ito na lang. Do you think this one is good?
Those clothes are not.
It's open.
You have to look at the bottom.
Try to look for another one. How much is it?
I know this. This one looks not as
Okay.
good as it's gonna get.
So,
What
yun.
about peaches?
So, yan sila. Kumukuha siya ng peaches. Si Zaira, naglalaro na naman ng gravy. Ng aming kinrosery. Kuha din tayo ng grapes. Masarap yung nakuha namin grapes last time. Ayan tayo. Love, do you think this one is good?
Did you try it?
No.
looks good. That looks empty.
Is it? I want the same one with the one that we got last time. Puro one.
I think it's this one.
Try it.
Not that one.
Try it. Show it to the camera. Show to the camera that you won't try it. Is it good? Ayan. May bata. Kumuha na kami ng mangoes. How much is this? Ha? Hindi ko alam. Ayan. Organic mangoes. Tapos kumukuha na siya ngayon ng avocado. Try natin to. Hop. Ayan, nagbabayad na sa Love. So, tingnan natin kung pasok siya sa $250. So, ayan ang aming pinamili. Pero may mga nalagay na siya doon sa paper bag. Zeta. Love, show them again your face.
No.
Nakasimangot siya kasi yung presyo ng sunscreen ko ay $21.97. Hindi ko nakuhaan sa camera. So, yan ang total ng aming pinamili. $250-$290.
Tap.
Ayan, daan na kami dito sa Walmart. Pauwi na kami. Makulimlim pa rin. Ngayong araw is ano siya, magiging makulimlim. Pero warm pa din. What are you doing?
Waiting for this person.
Why are we stopping? Just go na.
We're gonna walk right in front of us.
It's okay. Tayo sa labas. Si Love nagre-reklamo, ang bagal ko daw lumakad. Love, I'm not a slow walker. You're just a fast walker. Yan, very warm dito sa labas. Hindi ko na alam kung anong temperature. Siguro mga nasa ano, 19 degrees Celsius. So, yan. Pinapasok na ni Love sa kotse ang aming mga pinamili. Sarah, don't play with this. This is very important to Mama. Your dad paid for it. He's very happy paying this for Mama. Love, what can you say about my tinted sunscreen? Love, saying something about my tinted sunscreen. So, ayan, pasok na tayo. Na si Love mag-put away ng aming pinamili. Ang gulo ng kotse nito ni Love. Di nililinis. Love, why are you not cleaning your car? You want me to clean it for you? Oh, the baby. Love. Oh no! Lagay natin si Zeta sa kanyang car seat. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. Pupunta kami ng Wendy's para mag-breakfast. And ayun, uuwi na kami. So, thank you so much for supporting Zeta's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. Salamat ulit sa mga nagsasubscribe and nagko-comment. Next time, magbabasa ulit ako ng comment from our subscriber. So, see you again next time.